Good morning, everybody. Today we are starting out at 5:30. I'm actually meeting up with Champion Car Company, representing them today. I got their shirt on. You saw the license plate on the car. But I'm heading up, meeting with the owner, who also is going to be in a GTR. The dealership just got a really nice Black Edition. But we're heading out to the Trump Golf Course for the Concouse De Elegance car show, and we're actually going to be part of the media, doing videos for them and everything like that. So I'll be filming my own video while I'm there, but a lot of the day is going to be filming for the event. And they're actually going to use it on their website and everything for this car show nationwide. So it's going to be pretty cool. But early start, it's 5:47 now. Look at that, perfect timing. We got Champion's GTR. Excellent timing. Look at that thing, I think it's a beast. And I will say, I think my neighbors are pretty happy that I have the Valvetronic exhaust. What's up?
What's up, man?
Good morning, perfect timing.
I know, right? Why don't we just head over there right now, and then we'll get everything together.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright,
so that
car, man.
You too. So that one's got a 4-inch exhaust, which means we gotta put this back into race mode now. But yeah, there's the Super. Nice. So that's the Super Silver 2014 Black Edition. So we have made it now to the point. Right here, these are a whole bunch of shipping trailers. There has got to be at least $20 million worth of cars sitting right here, then we don't even notice it. Look at that old Aston Martin. Alright, so we are all ready to go. Not sure how well you can see me. We got both GTRs parked up, all of our camera equipment set up. Alright, so we are on the course. Got the flag and the clock. So we're out on the main green, getting a few of our warm-up shots for this whole video. We've got the beautiful lake behind us with the sun rising. They're just drying out everything over there. It rained all day yesterday. Today's gonna be like sunny and 50. So we're making our way to the next spot. I think they're actually not going to use this field. It rained all day yesterday. A few of the trucks are already even sinking into the ground. So it looks like everything is moving to more of the parking lots, but we got a few cars here. Beautiful 488 Spider. It's warming up a little bit. We're in the mid 50s, not too bad. We got the GTRs. You can hear something revving up.
That's the 4 GT.
Yeah. I think they uncovered that second 4 GT. Here's a good look at the GTRs now. Get a good look at the Black Edition up and close. And if you see on camera how the GTR looks a little weird, that's just the PPF with my polarized lens. So that is not actually what you're seeing in real life. That just looks funny with the lens I have on here. So we're gonna park both of our cars with window stickers. We actually have mine set up, have all the parts featured. So technically, guys, I am parking this for sale right now. So obviously my car is not actually for sale, but we're just sitting like that just to represent the company. But they do look really good parked next to each other. Comment down below though, this one is not too much more expensive if I were to trade in mine for this one. Comment down below, should I trade in my premium for a Black Edition? My car actually has about 30,000 miles on it, and I bought it with 24.5. This one has about 24.5 on it. So this one is pretty much like when I bought mine. So we're making our way to where they are parking all the modern day supercars. I think you guys will like the small lineup we got going on. But this Performante in red, that is insane looking. I have not seen a Performante up close and personal just yet, but I mean, look at that. Those lines are insane. We got the forged carbon fiber. So clean. Got these center lock wheels, carbon ceramics. And then making our way to the rear, the forged carbon on the spoiler. And then of course we got another Montana plate, of course. But look at that forged carbon. I've seen a few of these in person. Lines on these things are crazy. It's just such a flat, low car and very simple. One of the original supercars. We have red cloth seats, gated manual, of course. Just super simple vehicle. Alright, so now we're going to work on drone shots. We're going to stand over there and get a whole aerial of the whole event right here.
You know what you're doing. Oh yeah, look at that shot. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Good job. Man, very impressive.
So we are working with the drone now. Just going to get a nice shot of everything from way up high.
What though, she handles the wind really well.
Yeah, it's surprisingly stable for being a little drone. There we go. So we're gonna take a mini break right now. We're bringing in some gear and everything, put them into the cars. But we got a nice little car show out here. Beautiful Aston Martin. And I see a new Ford GT back there. We are gonna have to take a look at that in a second. Back to our cars, which, you know, we got a pretty decent spot. Our cars aren't technically in the show. They didn't have enough space. But we're gonna load up some of the equipment. So we've regrouped now. GTRs are looking nice. Now it's time to go check out the new Ford GT. Moving on now to some Lamborghinis. Got the beautiful Huracan set up, but then we got the Countach and Diablo, and then a Miura. now we have made it to probably my favorite car here. McLaren 720S finished off in an MSO purple. And we got a matching boat. But that is just a beautiful color. Look at this thing. Heavy metallic in it. Highly doubt the camera is going to do it justice, but that is a beautiful color. Let's just take a quick look at this lineup of the modern supercars, starting off with the F40. Not exactly modern, but still more of today's era. The brand new Performante you saw earlier, SuperFast, 488, GT3, and then finishing up with the supercharged R8 McLaren and the Heritage 4GT. We are wrapping things up. They're doing the awards right now. As you can hear, I've got pretty much every clip that I need to do. My camera is dying, so I gotta go plug it in for a little bit. That is it for my camera at least, but we're gonna head back to the GTR, at least charge my camera, and then finish up the day. So we're finishing up the day. Gonna shut off the exhaust real quick.
That is quiet.
So that's quiet mode. Straight pipe. All right, so we are finishing up the event. I am pretty worn out. That was a lot of work, ton of footage we got. But we are taking the graphic off my GTR, putting it back on the dealership one. But yeah, this thing is for sale right now. One of you seriously should buy it because this is incredibly clean. He's got some stuff in it right now. Actually, we might be able to take a look at it. This thing is beautiful shape, which is hard to find. So here's the Black Edition interior, and most likely I will be filming a review video on this, kind of comparing it to mine, because there are some differences. But that is one clean GTR. So we're heading out now, parting ways. Jason's heading back to the dealership, but now let's get a cold start on a 4-inch exhaust on the GTR. A little bit louder than my car. My car is a 3-inch, and with my car straight pipe with the valves open, it's just not quite as loud, which means I might have to do down pipes pretty soon. So I think that effectively wraps up today's video. What a busy day filming for the whole event and everything. It was a really cool opportunity. The Trump course basically paid us all to come out to film a video for them. It's gonna be edited tomorrow. We're sending them like a 1-minute video of just kind of highlights, and then like a 5-minute video of the whole day. We have a ton of footage, so it's definitely gonna be a lot of work to edit. But that was definitely a lot of fun and a lot of work. I think that about is it for today's video. GTR sounded really good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the day. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. And if you are looking to buy a GTR, I'll have that silver one listed down in the description below. Definitely check it out. That thing is really, really clean. But that is it for today's video. We'll see you guys next video.